Now to the criminal investigation of former President Trump. It's intensifying now as the Manhattan District Attorney has convened a special grand jury to examine the evidence. Our chief Washington correspondent John Carl joins us now to break down this new development. Good morning, John.
Good morning, George. This is a clear escalation in a criminal investigation that has been going on for nearly 2 years, and an indication that the Manhattan District Attorney may be moving closer to seeking criminal charges either against Trump himself, members of his family, his employees, or his company. We have also learned, George, that prosecutors have already contacted witnesses about appearing before this grand jury, which will be reportedly meeting for 3 days a week for up to 6 months. The special grand jury will be hearing other cases, not just this case against the Trump organization, but this is the special grand jury that will decide whether or not to seek criminal charges either against Trump or anybody associated with his company. Earlier this year, the Manhattan DA, the prosecutor in this case, was the prosecutor that obtained Trump's tax returns and other financial records related to the Trump organization after a legal battle, as you remember, that went all the way to the Supreme Court. Trump is out with a statement, a familiar sounding statement, in responding to this latest development, saying, quote, "This is purely political and an affront to the almost 75 million voters who supported me in the presidential election, and it's being driven by highly partisan Democratic prosecutors." But George, the facts are what's going to drive this. And this is undoubtedly the most serious, or at least certainly appears to be the most serious legal jeopardy that Donald Trump has yet faced. This is not a civil case. This is a criminal case.
Well, that's what I wanted to get to. Grand juries are often convened just to collect evidence. But in this case, it's a real sign that there's strong evidence, strong belief that the prosecutors have evidence, at least, of a crime.
It's the kind of step that a prosecutor takes when they have evidence of a crime and are preparing to move forward with charges. Of course, ultimately, it'll be up to that grand jury to decide whether or not those charges are pursued.
John Carl, thanks very much. Hi, everyone. George Stephanopoulos here. Thanks for checking out the ABC News YouTube channel. If you'd like to get more videos, show highlights, and watch live event coverage, click on the right over here to subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to download the ABC News app for breaking news alerts. Thanks for watching.